What's up everybody, Steve here. Compass Real Estate has finally announced that they have filed the paperwork for their IPO, the initial public offering. This article by Inman goes on to say Compass officially announced Monday evening that it has confidentially filed paperwork with the SEC to go public. Initially, there was rumors that they were going to do a different approach, merging with a special purpose acquisition company that has already been publicly traded. And now they're stating that they're going to go ahead and do the independent route and go for their own IPO. Now it goes on to say Compass was last valued at $6.4 billion when it raised $370 million with SoftBank back in July 2019. The S-1 filing is still confidential at this early stage, but will likely give potential investors and the general public its first look into the finances of the ever-growing real estate company. Compass has grown aggressively over the years through major acquisitions, which has led to speculation that the company will struggle to be profitable. And now I did another video of an upcoming, appears to be a class action lawsuit from a California real estate agent, basically claiming that Compass lured him in and essentially did a bait and switch based on different commission splits, as well as potentially what he's going to receive in stock options. So make sure you guys check out that video as well. Now this article goes on to say the macro environment is much different right now. However, with the tailwinds of COVID-19 pandemic leading to a strong housing market, rivals like Realogy, Keller Williams, eXp Realty, Zillow, and others have all enjoyed record-setting years, turning big profits and see revenues explode. Obviously, this in 2020, I mean, the real estate market has been just incredibly, in my professional opinion, inflated, especially with manipulation of interest rates being so low. I think values of real estate are extremely high, which it does make sense that, you know, Compass Real Estate is making a push to go ahead and go public sooner or later to essentially kind of cash out. In the early days of the pandemic, Compass joined others in enacting large-scale layoffs before the market rebounded sharply. The company in late March laid off 15% of its staff, which was roughly 375 employees, which was anticipated, especially in the beginning of the pandemic, because people really didn't have much knowledge as to how long it's going to take, and certain companies needed to really reserve funds and keep funds in place and do a certain amount of layoffs in different organizations, different industries. And it goes on to say the company is also currently fighting off a lawsuit from rival Realogy, the parent company of some of the industry's biggest real estate brands, including Coldwell Banker and Corcoran Group. And basically Realogy, they own multiple big brands. And now the ongoing lawsuit between Realogy and Compass has been long-standing. Realogy actually dropped the lawsuit against Compass due to non-compete and certain confidentiality information and agreements being disclosed from Realogy and their internal information to Compass from a former employee. They dropped that lawsuit in order to proceed further against a larger lawsuit against Compass. And now Realogy has taken the stance against Compass in terms of this larger lawsuit against poaching real estate agents in a much larger suit against Compass. We will see how this plays out, and also I'm curious as to how this is going to affect Compass and their IPO going public with, you know, this major lawsuit, pending lawsuit, as well as some other lawsuits in the works based on that other class action lawsuit in California by that real estate agent. Anyway, in my professional opinion, I think this is probably a prime time for Compass to go public. I'm not sure in terms of the inner workings, in terms of the stock options that they're offering their real estate agents, but a lot of these real estate agents might stand to make some good money if they do go public. And it is a prime time in my estimation, especially with the 2020 market and how strong it really was in terms of sales. So the timing probably is right for Compass to go public. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated on the IPO for Compass, and if you got any value out of this, I appreciate a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.